Dorm room is a space that reflects you in many ways. It's a place where you introspect, connect with yourself, brainstorm and ideate. You party here, invite friends over for a cup of hot coffee or study sessions. For all times you need a space that has a sense of individualism infused into its every nook and corner. MPB team makes the process a lot more easier. For a very own personal space, the company has come up with impressive dorm room ideas. As you browse, you'll notice a few common features in all the dorm designs. The walls are painted in vibrant colors, rooms have space enough to accommodate all a student needs, and white is the underlying theme for most of the dorm designs. Check out the duvet and the funky bunker beds. They look darn inviting.